Hello everyone. We're going to see how to make a worksheet which is very interactive. So for this, we'll take the website called Live Worksheets. So in this live worksheet, the first thing needed is you need to go and register yourself. I have registered myself. So um, I'm going to start now. So here there is something called make interactive worksheets. So we'll click on that and get started. So for this, one important thing is the worksheet that you're going to upload should be either a PDF or a JPEG or a PNG. Okay. So first we'll be choosing the worksheet. So I'm going to choose my worksheet now. So the first step is we'll be having the worksheet, so we'll be using the same worksheet and making it interactive. Okay, so I have a worksheet called what am I had earlier I had it in Word. Now I converted into PDF. Now I'm uploading this. Okay, so this is a worksheet that I had made. Now I want to make this interactive. Okay. So for this here, we have this cursor, and this cursor, when you drag it, you get a rectangle. Now we are going to write the answer. Okay. So for this fan, so the child can write fan slash capital FAN also. So we can give, or if it's going to be totally caps also, we give that. Okay. And the second one will be worm, same way, slash capital WORM or all caps. So likewise, we will be filling all the other rest of the worksheet also. So it's going to be the whatever be the other options, will be giving that. And okay, it's so obvious. We'll be continuing it. How much ever we have, we'll just finish this. Okay, and now let me finish this. We'll save this worksheet. So we have two options. One is we can share with other teachers, or we can have it as private. Okay, let me share it with other teachers. And now here we can give a title for this. So I'm going to give as who am I, and of course the language is English, and school subject is English as second language. Okay, I can give it as ESL. And now grade level, I can give it as say grade 3 or whatever that is applicable to your worksheet. And main content will be critical thinking. I don't have, let me just give the ages. Maybe it is 7 years to say 8 years. Okay, I can give a description. So this worksheet uh, enables the student to think. Okay, I'm just making it short for the sake of the video. Okay, so now the job is done. I can open the worksheet. So this is how it goes. So we made this rectangles already. So when the worksheet is given to the student or the child will be typing the answer here. So one is the right answer. Maybe then I can give caps one also here. And here I'm making some mistakes. Okay. Okay. So let us see how this is working out. So once it is done, I'm going to finish this. You can check the answers. You can email it to the teacher. Let me check the answer. So these two, fan and worm, is right. Whereas here, since there is a mistake in the spelling, and it shows in red. Okay. So the marks is also given. So with this, whatever be your worksheet, you can make it interactive. Yeah. So and this, it doesn't end with this. There are options like drag and drop and match the following, and all these can be seen in another video. Thank you so much.